Hello. Building design and construction technologies are rapidly advancing, and the adoption of BIM is improving every day. Yet, many organizations are still using traditional CAD technologies to deliver BIM projects. There is a great value to be realized by upgrading your CAD technologies to BIM workflows. In our upcoming webinar, we will be discussing important topics related to BIM, such as object-oriented modeling, multidiscipline integration and analysis, creating intelligent deliverables, interoperability, and much more that will bring a lot of benefits to you and your team to deliver your projects more quickly, accurately, and cost effectively. If you are interested to learn more about these topics, feel free to click the link below and join this webinar. I hope to see you there soon. Thank you.